even your family know who you are. You may have felt different growing up, and some of you may have had a strong connection to your mother, even if you didn't grow up with your mother, even if you didn't get on with your mother. For some of you, there was a strong maternal connection. Maybe you heard, oh, you look like your mother, or you act like your grandmother. Your beauty is very radiant. Some of you may not even look like any of your family members. But one thing is for sure, your family know that you carry a rare signature, a rare energy signature that is very distinct, that is of love. You are born into the family that you were born in to break a generational curse, because for some of you, maybe your family members did not show emotions and you came into the family line to trigger wounds that need to be healed. Maybe you are very sensitive as a child, and I'm hearing for some of you that you got scolded for it, unfortunately, but you should have been nurtured. Some of you were thankfully nurtured because maybe your mother was as sensitive as you, and not just sensitive in a sense of, crying at the drop of a hat, even though nothing's wrong in that. Put on a sad movie and you got me going. But I feel like you are sensitive, and you were sensitive as a child. You picked up on energies from certain environments. Maybe you hated school. Maybe you hated going out shopping. Like, there's so many layers. And your mother or a female family member really connected to you because they were that way inclined too. You coming into this family has broken a generational curse that has been very bothersome for your family line for a very long time. For some of you, you're at the tail end of breaking this curse. For others of you, you've broken free. You're highly skilled, you're intelligent, you are multi-talented. Some of you can sing, dance, act. Some of you can speak many languages. Some of you are good at sport. Some of you are great at reading the room, reading others, knowing what people are going to say before they even say it, and it even shocks you sometimes. You pick up on energy, and you use this gift very wisely. It's almost as if you have an ability to really hone in on how another person would feel. You know what people are going to do before they even do it. And you can't explain how you know certain things. You just know. And people, your family members, look at you in awe. Where did you get this knowledge? Where did you get this gift? Some of you were talking since the age of 2. For others of you, it took you a long time to talk. You are a starseed. You are not from here. And before we incarnate into this earthly plane, we are spirit babies. And we choose our parents. And the parents that you chose were chosen for a reason. You came into your family to show them a new way of being. Maybe your parents are multi-talented, but they didn't use their talents. And you came into this family and your talents and skills left everyone in awe, because no one could trace back to who had these same skills and talents, because there's no one like you. You are on your way to victory and success. It's in your birthright. You are the generational curse breaker. It has not been easy. You have been met with a lot of confusion. You have been met with people trying to talk you out of your distinct and otherworldly qualities. Some of you have questioned why you have these gifts. The Spirit is saying, why not? You were chosen to have these gifts for a reason. Having these gifts and talents and being the amazing you is for a reason. Because you are going to show other people like yourself that it's okay to have many different skills and talents. And that's one of the reasons why a lot of your family members are in awe of you. Some of these family members feel like you're not from here, because they may look at their children or themselves or forefathers and think, but where did they get this gift from? Where did they get this talent from? Some of you are athletes. Some of you have amazing singing voices, and maybe no one in your family can sing. Some of you are very influential, famous, very popular, known for skill and talent. You could be known in a group, club, or organization. Some of you have created your own movement, your own group, club, and organization. No one's done it in your family before. That was until you came along. You are here to heal your bloodline. And you may get some family members that may try and wrestle you out of the throne that you sit in. And some of you may feel to yourself, but I didn't choose this. I didn't choose to sit on this throne. But Spirit chose you, because Spirit knows that you can do it.